this in your worksheet for your homework. And make sure I'm going to just do this worksheet. Make sure you do this workbook. It's relatively easy. Okay, make sure you bring your workbook on Monday, Tuesday, whichever day, the next day, tomorrow. Do that. Don't forget that, please. Okay. Believe we went over a lot in class. This stuff here and this here, just in case I didn't go over this number 6 here. I think I did not. These base are not the same, but they're just normal number. You can reduce them. 15, 20. You can both divide by 5. 5 into 15 is 3 times. 5 into 20 is 4 times. This here, remember, we are going to subtract. Subtract. We're gonna move the smaller one. So be careful which one is smaller here. This one is the smaller number than a -4. The -4 is a bigger number we leave, so we eliminate that. Put it's a minus. Now it's a minus -5. Remember, we subtract a -5 here. So this becomes additive inverse. Okay, and this is a smaller one, minus a 1 there. We don't have to worry about additive inverse. So we get m to the 1th power and n to the 3rd power. And that's our answer. Okay? Now simplify this. You don't distribute anything because there's no number on the outside, so all this means time. Okay, and these two are like term. They're not called like term. The bases are the same. We add, we do 3 to the 6th power, and then the next one is the x. The x has the same base. We add the exponents, x to the 7th. So remember, we're adding exponents here, and y to the 5th power. And that's our answer. Just says to simplify. Now here, there's no exponent on the outside, so all we're doing is multiplying. It'll help you if you just put multiplication in between. Oops. Okay, 5 and 5, of course, is 25, or 5 to the 2nd power. You can just put 25 because it's easy to multiply. This one, it's impossible, so you leave it as exponent. Okay. Then it's n to the 1st. Therefore, it's m to the 5th. O plus this 3. So m to the 8th. And n is here, n is here, n to the 11th, and that's your answer. Okay. Now here, be careful, it's all times also, but you have to, this is what's going to be on the test. I give you, there's a number outside. We always do parentheses or distribute those first. So that's a 1, that's a 1. Right there. So your answer is 5 to the 32, m to the 8, n to the 8. Okay? And then 5m squared times n to the 4th. We bring this down. Let's find okay. So 5 have the same base, so it's 5. This is 5 to the 1st, 5 to the 33. M squared, m to the 8 is m to the 10th, and n to the 12th. So it's very important you do the distributive first. Just like when you're solving an equation, you always distribute first. And same here, you distribute first. And remember, this has a 1 right here. So distribute, 4 to the 4th, f to the 40th. And then you can do this 3 times f times g to the 6th. Now these two are not alike, so you need to write 3 times 4 to the 4th times, now f to the 41, and g to the 6th. Now, less than, we want something less than 1. Now 1 is 2 to the 0 power. That's what you have to understand. So let's rewrite this. 2 to the 3rd times n to the 2nd less than to the 0 power. So we know we're multiplying. We're going to add these together. So 3 plus what is less than 0? There's many, many numbers. 3 negative 100. Aha! So negative 77, 97 is definitely less than 0. So n then is, I'm going to make n equals negative 100. You can put anything you want, but that's how I find what n is, okay? You first need to write it in exponent. That's the key. First, write this answer using the same base in exponents. Okay? I hope that helps you if you get stuck with it. Same thing here. You're writing this as an exponent. So it becomes 2 to the n, 2 to the 3rd, greater than n to the 0 power. So what makes it greater than? You know, we're going to subtract these. So n minus 3 is greater than, right? You're subtracting n to the 0 power. You're subtracting this. So what needs to be greater than 0? N can be 500. 500 minus 3 is greater than 0. So n is 500. So whatever it is you choose. Okay? You can choose any number you want. You can choose 4. Most of you choose 4 or 5. You know. Well, let's see. Make it equal to 1. Well, to the 0, 8 to the 0 power is 1. So we got to the n, to the 5th. The key is this part right here. Change that, okay, with the same base. So 5 plus n equals to 0. So 5 plus something makes it equal to 0. 5 plus negative 5. So negative 5 then, 5 plus negative equals to 0. So n then equals to negative 5. Easy, right? I hope you find it easy. So go ahead and continue to do this on your own. Like this one, change this, not n to the 9th times n to the 3rd less than, this is 9 squared. So you need to find a number plus, because it's multiplying, you're adding 3, so it can be less than 2. 1 is less than 2, so negative 2. 0, negative 10 is less than 2. You know, if you put negative 10 here, negative 7 is less than 2. Any negative numbers would work. So you figure out a number to put that's your own. Same thing here. Oh, this base is a 3, so you need to change this 3 squared, okay, and then solve that. This base is 12, so this becomes anything to 12 to the 0 power is 1. Okay, you needed to know that. Fill it out, and that's good. Okay? Hope this helps.